Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to link your YouTube channel to your Instagram account. So let's start. First, open the YouTube app. Now tap on your profile picture on top right corner and go to your channel. Now tap on the three dots on top right corner and tap share. Here you will see the option of copying your link. Tap on that. Now close the YouTube app and open your Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on Edit Profile. Under the website section, you have to copy your link. I'll just clear the link currently I have and paste my channel link. And tap the tick icon on top right corner to save it. And that's how you can connect your YouTube channel to your Instagram account. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.